Hi guys, today we visited the animal shelter, and these are the dogs, starting off with this little fella, which treats are empty. I'm sorry, little one, you get more treats soon, I promise. Alright, there's only 3 dogs here and a lot of cats. And I think you guys probably like cats. So we're gonna go to Adoption Dog War 2, starting off with this guy. I already gave him 2 treats earlier, and he's a good guy. This is Logan. You guys probably might know him, and he's a good boy. I think the next dog is here. It is, his name is, wait, I don't know what his name is, but this is a picture of him, which is pretty funny, and, this is him. Say hello. Well, I think he likes you guys. Okay, so, we're gonna move on. Next, no, that's not it. No, that's more animals, but that's employees only. Here are some cats. Cool. And these are the cats. Let me show you. First, that War 3. Let's see. Oh, that's locked. That's also locked. I'm sorry, guys. And these are the little tiny kittens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say hello. What's that? Wait. Well, that's it, guys. And consider donating to the Hayward Animal Shelter Burrow. And these cats and dogs get good care and all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.